Anong nangyari?
In the back of our house.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. And then I stay in the e-bike out somebody, but some strangers come here. And then he said, don't go anywhere. And then then Papa see me, so because the house is burning.
Hmm.
That's why Lola said me go to that Lola's house. Lola is the same one.
Hmm.
And then we're going sa Lola's house.
Oo.
And with the bike. And the e-bike is Lola.
Oh. Oh, what did you do?
Push him na lang.
You push it na lang. You push the e-bike na lang. Oh, you help Lola to push it. Oh. Then,
Some ate stranger push it too with us.
oh. One stranger ate helped you with Lola.
Yes.
Mm.
And
And then,
then I stay in the e-bike and Lola said stay in the e-bike with Lolo house.
hmm.
And
What happened to this house?
this house?
Hmm.
I don't know.
Oh, what happened to the fire?
He said call the firefighter.
Hmm. Then,
And the firefighters spray the fire na.
hmm.
Then when Papa see me, Papa slide the e-bike like this, oh.
Oh.
Right, wait lang. Like this.
Ah, and then,
Wait lang. He slide the e-bike like this, oh. Wait.
oh, masisira yan. Oh, then,
So, like this, wait.
pababa.
Yes.
Oh,
Sa baba, and the end.
in the end. Kasi wala nang fire. Did you see a lot of, firefighters?
No, because Lola said me to stay in the e-bike.
Lola told you to stay in the e-bike. But you
Yes.
did not see the firefighters coming.
Yes, because
You saw them?
Yes.
You
No,
saw them?
No,
With the truck? The fire truck? You don't
No.
see the fire truck?
no, it's not in the kabila.
Sa kabila lang. But the fire truck will, will the under in the stranger's house, diba?
No, not our house.
There, in the Lolo stranger.
No, there's no fire in Lola's stranger.
Kaya nga, I know nga. I mean,
Sa kabila.
oo, I mean, doon ang daan ni firefighter eh. That's the way eh. Diba?
First he go na wind. Right, dito
Tawid?
firefighter. Right.
The firefighter, tawid where?
No, wait lang. Right. It is all the hoses, right?
Oh.
And right. When he see,
How did they,
wait lang. And then when he see the kabila hole, they go in there. And when they see the fire, they turn on the hose to spray the fire and he doing this part.
Oh. You saw them doing that?
No.
No. You just imagine it.
No. Yes, maybe I think so. And then
I thought you saw them.
after that, they go out with Alice na. Because I hear the firefighter that they go, Nino, like that.
Ninong? Is it Pasko na? Ninong?
Yeah, Nino. And then in your sa taas. In the truck. And then I hear it. Then it's steady lang. It said Nino. And then it began because sila alis na.
Are you afraid?
No.
No? Scared? No?
No, because
Because
we
why?
ran in this house.
You ran away. Then you're safe na. Eh, Papa. Papa is here pa. How's Papa?
Good, because he's just going to see there in the window. Just in the kabila.
You just look
He just
there.
there's sa kabila.
Then what did he see?
He just see the fire sa kabila, not hilang.
Not in our house. Sa
That's why
kabilang
Tati-
house.
Yes.
Is
And
Tati
then
barking and barking and barking?
He just hilang. He stay here, then he's just behaving.
Oh. Are you behave ba?
In the divider,
Oo.
maybe because yes, because I'm acting some strangers. Sa Lolo's house. He don't know he speak Tagalog. That's why he said, "What did you know Tagalog?"
Then?
Ibon and pusa.
Ah.
That.
He asked you what did you know in Tagalog words. You say ibon,
And
pusa.
yes,
What else?
I said that.
Dalawa lang. Do you speak with Lolo there? Strangers lang yun.
No, I just speak in Lolo and strangers. I just only just speak in strangers. Because Lola go in his house.
You don't ano na. You don't talk to him na.
Yeah, because he's going in his house.
Okay.
And Mama. And when that all, the end.
Okay.
Ma, did you, Mama, ito mo.
Oh, masisira yung TV.
Ito mo, Ma.